Sometimes you need to share your aircraft with other people. Maybe another pilot flies the airplane, you're part of a flying club, a mechanic needs access to the maintenance records, or you're selling the aircraft and a prospective buyer wants to review the logs. AirLogbooks gives you several ways to share the aircraft, while you remain in control of the records. If another pilot regularly flies the aircraft, you can invite them directly. Pilots and admins can have ongoing access to the aircraft. And if you use AirLogbooks scheduling, multiple pilots or members of a flying club can share and schedule the airplane. For someone who doesn't need ongoing access, there's an even easier option. Turn on the public share link, and AirLogbooks creates a unique link and QR code for the aircraft. You can text or email the link, download the QR code, or simply let someone scan it, and they don't even need an AirLogbooks account to view it. You also decide what the public link allows. You can share your contact information, give access to the aircraft record vault, and even allow a mechanic to submit a maintenance entry directly from the public page. This is what someone sees when they open the public link. They can see the aircraft, its specifications and status, and review the records you've made available. For a prospective buyer, this makes reviewing an aircraft and its maintenance history much easier without emailing logbook PDFs or handing over the original records. And this is especially useful for maintenance. If you've enabled maintenance submissions, a mechanic can select Add Maintenance Entry right from the public aircraft page. They do not have to be registered with their logbooks. They can enter the work they performed and submit it back to you. But that submission does not automatically become part of your permanent aircraft record. You review and authorize the entry first. If this is a mechanic you work with regularly, there's an even easier way. Invite them directly under Mechanic Access. A mechanic with an AirLogbooks profile can keep their certificate and company information in their profile. That makes creating entries, digitally signing them, and producing PDF maintenance records much faster and easier. So whether you're sharing the airplane with another pilot, giving a mechanic access to the records, or letting a prospective buyer review the aircraft, you decide how much access they get, and you can change or remove that access whenever you need to. Share the aircraft, keep control of the records.